to show you this in a real easy strummer version with my acoustic first, and then as depending on how much time we have, I'll show you some cool, like, more cool Strat, style, electric guitar style voicings for it. But first I just want to show it to you as if you were playing it by yourself with your acoustic in an easy way. We need a D chord, we need a B minor chord, we need a G chord, we need an A chord. So I want to tackle the progression of this first part. We're going to go D to B minor, just like this. Same rhythm from G to D. Here's what we have so far. D to B minor, and then G to D. Then the exact same thing again, but instead of the first D, it's replaced with an A chord, and then it's the same. So A to B minor, G to D. And so the rhythm's there for you to kind of check out as well. I'll do it one time really slow. Okay, and so that's also going to be the chorus, but then there's a little turnaround, and what that means is, it's kind of wraps up the thoughts of the chorus in a nice little package, and then it goes back to the groove again. So that goes like this. Now he's doing it with all chords up here, but I just want to show you an easy strummer version first. Okay, so we're going to go D to E minor, same rhythm as everything. Like that. Check it out again. And then B minor to E minor. So check it out. And the A part of the verse. A, B minor, B, D. Check that out one more time. D, E minor, E minor, E minor, A, B minor, G, E. Right? That's it. That's it. So you can survive, campfire style, or, life at the party style, or, uncle at the party. I said that before. I got a lot of comments on that comment. So you can get by doing that, and you play the whole song. I've seen people play it exactly that way, at, like a bar or something like that. And then there is a bridge, and it's really taking pretty heavily. If you see my songwriting lesson, you'll know what I'm talking about as far as like borrowing influences from other songs. His it's so much like What's Going On by Marvin Gaye, and if you haven't heard that song, you got to hear it and you'll know what I'm talking about. And so what he's doing is he's doing some fancy voicing up here, but basically all it is, it's a G minor. He just goes to G minor, he's doing his little scats over it, and so basically if you go to a G minor chord, and there's no lyrical things going on, it's really just a bridge for him to get fancy. But basically, if you can groove out on a G minor chord. Well, one thing you can do is you have this G minor 7 chord, and then you can move your ring finger over and get your first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string there, and you've got kind of a funk thing to the guitar solo. All right, so let me show you a couple of things with the electric guitar. Alright, that's all. I'll just squeeze you in. Alright, let's learn the solo, just that nice little melody that he does. The song starts with a D chord. It's got a sweet sound to it, so sweet major chord. It's going to be that first chord's major pentatonic scale. So if you've never learned that before, just know that's what it's called. So we're going to have our ring finger on the 7th fret of the B string, and our first finger is going to be behind it on the 5th fret. I'm going to hit this note, 7th fret B string. Then I'm going to hammer onto it from the 5th fret. Check it out. then slide it up to the 10th fret as it's resonating from here. Then the same technique, but now a longer one. I'm going to use my ring finger. Normally I would use my pinky, but since my ring finger's already there, I'm going to stretch it. And we're going to go like this. Hammer on from 7 to 10 and slide up a whole step. Here are the notes. And a hammer on from 10 to 12 on the B string. And then I'm going to go, just for ease I think, I don't know if I think he might slide it one more, but we're going to go to 10 on the high E. Then, ring finger on the B string, like a little pickup note. So 12 on the B, 10 on the high E. Like that. Then I'm going to hit that note again, bent up a whole step, resolve to the 10th fret. So here's that line. Here's what we have so far. And middle finger on the 15th fret with my first finger behind it, planted, and I'm going to go middle finger to the 15th on the B. Here it is one more time. Okay, so one thing you can do electric guitar style is, obviously just bar chords for one. So like, D, B minor, and then a G bar chord down here, back to D. And then the A bar chord. And we have this D major chord right here. You can play the D Hendrix major inversion, which I have other lessons on. So